Hello friends. Many times there may be cases that we may need to change attributes of files to make them read-only, hidden or something else. In this video, we will learn how we can change properties or attributes of specified file or item. Set-item property command sets the value of the property of the specified item like file or registry key. Command is used to change the property of an item. Item property could be any property of file like is read only, attributes, etc. We can change any of these attributes. In this example, we are trying to set item property of a file to make it read only, and the item property name is read only. As you are already aware, alias are very helpful in reducing time to write code and code length itself. SP is an alias for this command. In this example, we can easily see the benefit of using alias. Command has 16 characters, but alias has only 2 characters. Path parameter is used to specify file whose attributes need to be changed. This attribute support use of wildcard as well. In this example, in first command, we are trying to set property of file1.txt specified under path parameter. In second command, we are trying to set properties of all text files which have file in their name specified under path parameter. Name parameter is used to specify name of item property whose value we want to change like is read only, and attributes are properties of a file. In this example, we are trying to change the value of property specified under the name parameter. Value parameter is used to pass value of an attribute. In this example, we are trying to set the value as specified under value parameter for the attribute specified under name parameter and for file specified under path parameter. Confirm parameter is used to give a confirmation prompt before running the command. This helps us to be double sure about our action. In this example, we are trying to set the value of an property of a file. But before making this change, we want to get a confirmation prompt using confirm parameter to be double sure about our action. We cannot list hidden files normally. We have to use force parameter to list hidden or system files. Once we have listed hidden or system files, then we can easily set their attributes or properties value. In this example, in first portion of the command, we are listing hidden files using force parameter, and then we are piping the output of this command as input of following command to change attributes value of all listed files. To return object that we are working with on screen as well, pass-through parameter can be used. By default, there is no output of this command. What if parameter help us to see what will happen if command run, but without running the command actually. In this example, in first command, we are using pass-through parameter, and in second command, we are using what if parameter. Now let's recap. Set-item property command sets the value of the property of the specified item like file or registry key. SP is an alias for this command. Path, name, value, confirm, what if, filter, include, exclude, and pass through are some parameters for this command. We can list hidden and system file using force, and then we can change the property or attribute of item.